Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the rear window wiper fuses relays are located on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. We will also, guys, talk about hidden fuse boxes information that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. By the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. So guys, the rear window wiper fuses relays, we will explain where you can find them on that generation Chevy Equinox here, guys. But quick advice from us. Probably about 9 out of 10 owners will not know how many hidden fuse boxes are in that Chevy Equinox. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, a video that can save you a lot of money, guys. And what we need to do here now, we need to open the hood. Facing the engine here on the right side, guys. You see, that's a brake fluid reservoir. Next to it, you have a fuse box. That's the main engine fuse box. You have one clip here, kind of like with 2 tabs, and one on this side. Push them together, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like that. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And here, guys, we need to check 3 different components. The first one, the main fuse, is known as fuse number 30. We're talking about this 20 amp fuse right here that you will, guys, need to check. After that, we need to locate, guys, okay, we need to locate 2 relays. You need to check both. That's relay 61 and relay 64. One of these will be for the rear window wiper, one for the front. There is limited information, but check both of them, guys, because most likely that's causing your problem. If your window wiper, rear window wiper, does not work, okay, you may want to check also the windshield wiper switch. We'll have a video how to test windshield wiper switch on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to do that as well. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, interior fuse box, we want to show you have 2 kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you are stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful and see you guys next time.